Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this. Pretty! And I also made different color. And our materials, I have two sizes of bicones, 3mm and 4mm. And 11/0 seed beads, round pearl, and they are 4mm, 1-inch chain, clasp, and I already put the jump ring, my beading needle number 11, and this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. First, I pick up 2 seed beads, 1 pearl, 2 seed beads, 1 pearl, 2 seed beads, bicone, 2 seed beads, and bicone. And I just did like 7 inches tail. Then I'll pick up 1, then pick up another 1, then pick up 1, pick up 1, then I'll pick up 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, 2 seed beads, pearl, 2 seed beads, bicone, 2 seed beads, bicone, and 1 bicone. Then pick up 1, pick up another 1, pick up 1, Then pick up 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, 2 seed beads, pearl, 2 seed beads, bicone, 2 seed beads, bicone, and 1 seed bead. Then pick up 1, and I'm going to continue adding 1 here and here. So I'm going to continue until I have 12 components. Right now I have 3. I completed my 12 components, and I'll pick up 5 seed beads, and I can attach the clasp. Oops, sorry about that. Then I'll pick up 2 seed beads, 3mm bicone, and 2 seed beads. I'm going to pass through pearl, then pick up 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, and 2 seed beads, and pass to the next bicone and 2 seed beads. Pick up another 2, 1 bicone, and 2 seed beads. Oh, she's barking again. She's excited. Then pass through next pearl and 2 seed beads. Pick up 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, and 2 seed beads. Pass to the next bicone and 2 seed beads. So I'm going to continue adding 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, and 2 seed beads until here. So I'm going to continue adding 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, 2 seed beads. pass through pearl, then I'm going to continue adding 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, and 2 seed beads until here. I'm going to just pass through some beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut this thread. Pick up 5. Then I can attach the chain. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. It's very easy to make. 2 more knots and then I'll cut the thread. It's done. So the size of this bracelet with 12 components, 7 inches. So I hope you like it. It's pretty. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading. By the way, I use 6 feet thread, length of thread for 7 inches length of the bracelet with 12 components. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day and happy beading.